NovoDS is a cloud-based digital signage software from Vivitek. Do you need to show important information and media to a targeted audience? The applications are limitless. It is not only great for corporate lobbies, waiting and meeting rooms, but also for schools and universities' campus directions, information, and bulletin boards to inform and entertain people while waiting in queues, and venue crowd capacity control. For use in store and supermarket aisle promotions and advertisements. To display factory safety notices, bulletin boards, and real-time production information. To display constantly updated hotel promotions, information, and conference room schedules. Easily upsell with promotional advertising for restaurants and cafeterias. Time-scheduled menu changes for lunch and dinner. Vivitek's NovoDS includes an easy-to-create content management software, range of displays, add-on devices, and media players. What are you waiting for? Reinforce your brand recognition and start displaying engaging and informative content today.